Hello sir. Now here I have completed the circuit and I have soldered all the component to the PCB board, and I have captured picture and I will send you later. And now this is a complete board with the two water atomizer. Here I don't have the LED light, 12-volt LED light, because of that I have used, look, these two port is was for the DC fan, and these two port was the for the LED light. So here I have used the two fan, and now two fan, and use one fan in the fan connector, and one fan I have used in the LED 12-volt connector, so that I just show you that is it is working now. Okay, I am giving it to power, and here is look, this is the long wire connected to the, this is the DST11, the humidity and temperature sensor. Now I am giving the power to it. Okay, look carefully, this is the temperature and humidity here. Look, this is my function. Okay, now go. Okay, this is increment. If I want to increment it, my saved value was 95. And if I increase or decrease it, then depending on this the fan will be on and off. Look, this is the my condition. The and here is a smoke, the atomizer is on, and this fan is the our light. That means it will on the 8 slot schedule basis. Look, this is 98 humidity. Now if I decrease it, now look, that is, go to the main function, and look, the water atomizer is fully working on. And now here is, if I want to decrement it, look, this is decrement, 96, 95, 94. That is, the water atomizer is just shut down and the fan is on, and this slot fan is running by the 8 slot hour, by the 8 slot after 3 hour. Here I have given the timer for a 10 second only, just for the test actually. Then I will do it for the 3 hour per slot. Now here how we can change the slot. Here go to option increment, this is decrement, this is LED, then click here and then click here again. Now the slot one is on or off. Okay, make it on, make all the things, all the four things on, and all the and the exist, and the another four slot is off. Okay, then go number 2 on, go number 3 on, go number 4 on, number 5 off. I mean, after doing on and off, I have to press here. If I want to stay and on, then I have to press here to tick mark this, and then the controller will get it on is equal to 1. Or if I want to do it off, then press 1 again, arrow to the off, and press here one time, that it will count that slot 6 is off. Similarly, slot 7 is off. Similarly, slot 8 is off. Now let's see. Look, this is on, so this will on for the 4 slot time, and existing and the another 4 slot time it will off. And the DC fan is, normal fan is on as logically. Okay, wait, we want to see the full logic working prototype. Look, this is now stop, and it will stop the remaining time for the slot 5, 6, 7 and 8. After that, for slot 1 it will automatically on. Now if my current humidity is 93, look, the water atomizer is automatically on, and the fan is off. Okay, Now please let's check our set value. Okay, go here, increment. Our set value is 1995, but the room humidity is 93, that's why it is on. Now if we decrease it to 90, 89, 88, 87, that the atomizer is off and the fan is on. So I think this is a clear. Sir, here is a some noise issue because the board is really, the board is made by local hand, and here is many noise connection. And because of this we have to make a double layer with mask board, and after that the things will be better, I think, and everything is working properly here. This is my full demo for this project. Thank you, sir.